Hello YouTube! In today's video I'll be taking care of my Celica's headlight trim. This one almost flew away. Luckily I noticed it. The metal clamps that hold this in are really terrible. This one is from here, so as you can see I have currently removed it. This one actually has been in place quite well, but you can see it just like can just like fucking pop off. What I have here is 3M tape, double-sided. Got the front bumper removed. To remove the headlight you have 3 10mm bolts here, here and here, one on the top, 2 on the bottom. You don't have to remove any of the wiring because we only need to access this edge here, so you can take out the bolts and just pull it out a little bit. Clean it and try to apply the new rubber. Also make sure to clean the rubber gasket itself. So now we have to figure out which way it goes. If I already put the double-sided tape, it will be hard to know whether it's, you know, in the correct spot or not. Oh, I think I got it. Oh wow. Yeah, this is much better. It has to be very even, so I guess this nudge is in this corner. Some sort of marking for me. Cut off some of the edge using a box knife. That's all there is to it. Just make sure that when you're putting it on, you cannot slide it on, you have to place it on because the tape will grip it. So you can see it's running nicely along the glass edge. Yeah, this is what it looks like at the moment. This tape is 2 centimeters wide. Here you can see I glued on also some of the parts that I cut off from before. I put some to the bottom part here as well. Nicely. That's freaking all there is to it. try to put back the original clips here as well, since I already have them. Before you completely tighten it, you might want to position the headlight a bit. So that this edge over here would be nicer. I have not completely put the bumper back, it's just a trial fit. I just wanted to show. I think it looks very nice. And, okay, and maybe from here it is a bit of gap, but I can still adjust the headlight a bit. And from the other side, also, like, I haven't attached the bumper yet, I have to like push it, but you can see this rim is looking very nice. You cannot see the tape. Of course, I don't know yet how well it will hold up, because I haven't driven it yet or anything, but I guess I'll make a follow-up video in case this doesn't work out.